What if your next smartphone could replace your tablet, laptop, and even your AI assistant all in one device? That's exactly the kind of futuristic experience the upcoming Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 8 is expected to deliver, and if the leaks and rumors are even close to true, this could be the most powerful foldable smartphone Samsung has ever created. Imagine opening a sleek premium device and instantly transforming your phone into a massive immersive display that feels like you're holding the future in your hands. Samsung has been dominating the foldable market for years, but with the Galaxy Z Fold 8, they are preparing something even bigger, smarter, and more powerful. First, let's talk about the display because this is where the magic begins. The Galaxy Z Fold 8 is expected to feature a stunning 7.8-inch Dynamic AMOLED 2X main display with a super smooth 120Hz refresh rate that makes everything from scrolling to gaming feel incredibly fluid, while the cover screen may come with a 6.3-inch AMOLED display so you can easily use the phone, even when it's folded. Samsung is also reportedly improving the crease design and hinge durability, making the fold almost invisible and the device stronger than ever before. Now here's where things get exciting: performance. The Galaxy Z Fold 8 is rumored to run on the powerful Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 or an advanced Galaxy-optimized chip that delivers lightning-fast speed, incredible gaming performance, and powerful AI capabilities. Speaking of AI, Samsung is pushing Galaxy AI even further with features like real-time call translation, AI photo editing, smart note summarizing, and intelligent multitasking that lets the phone learn how you use apps and optimize performance automatically. Imagine editing photos like a professional, translating conversations instantly, or summarizing long documents in seconds, all directly from your phone. Now let's talk about the camera system, because Samsung never disappoints here. The Galaxy Z Fold 8 is expected to include a powerful triple-camera setup featuring a 200-megapixel main camera, an ultra-wide lens, and a telephoto zoom lens that could deliver incredibly sharp photos, cinematic videos, and stunning night photography. And thanks to the large foldable display, reviewing your photos and editing them becomes a completely new experience. Battery life is another area Samsung is improving. The Galaxy Z Fold May 8 pack a large 4,800 mAh battery with optimized AI power management that keeps the phone running all day, even with heavy multitasking, plus fast charging and wireless charging support, so you spend less time plugged in and more time enjoying your device. For productivity lovers, Samsung may also bring improved S Pen support and advanced multitasking tools, allowing you to run 3 or even 4 apps simultaneously on the huge display, turning the phone into a pocket-sized workstation. As for the launch, industry insiders suggest Samsung could unveil the Galaxy Z Fold 8 around August 2026 during its big Galaxy Unpacked event, with an expected price starting somewhere around $1,799 in the US market. But here's the real question. Will this finally be the foldable phone that convinces millions of people to leave traditional smartphones behind? Because if the rumors are accurate, the Galaxy Z Fold 8 isn't just another phone upgrade. It could be the device that completely changes how we use smartphones forever. And here's the surprising part many people are not talking about yet. Some reports suggest Samsung may introduce a brand new AI feature exclusive to the Fold series that transforms the large screen into a true AI productivity hub, something we haven't fully seen on any smartphone before. So, if you're excited about the future of foldable phones, the Galaxy Z Fold 8 might just be the device worth waiting for. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like it, subscribe to my channel, and tell me in the comments from which phone you are upgrading. Rocket Mobile Phone.